Hey guys, this is Fundo on Chupagamo. Tonight on Uzalo, please like, comment, and subscribe. Kunzi walk away after got that Kapsile is cheating on him with Mtambisi. A pain Kunzi take his eyes off the road and accidentally hit something or someone, and he tell the customer and the laborers on the Guanjomane lounge to go out. While Pastor Kuala is wrangled with guilt when he found out what his son was going through. Nosipo tell Pastor Kuala that he beat Kazmulo, and Pastor Kuala wants Nosipo to tell everything goes between her and Kazmulo. While Inosipho is pained by the accusation thrown at her, Mbata refuses to award a longer service member of the church. Mzimba wants payment from Mbata, while Mbata tells Mzimba that he works for God. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.